Jessie from the Swing Project, and in this video we're exploring solo jazz moves for Lindy Hoppers. We're going to have a look at two of my favourite moves, the boogie back and the boogie forward. Let's start with our boogie backs. We're going to bring our bodies down nice and low, compressing ourselves just so we've got our centre of gravity a little lower. It creates some great contrast for your dancing as well. We're going to clap on beat 8, 8, and then we're going to shuffle back right, left, and 1. Give it a try with me. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. We're going to put a series of these together, clapping on the even beats and doing our little shuffles for the and odd beats. Let's give it a try. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7. When we're clapping in front of us, we want to make sure that we're actually opening up our bodies because it makes it look a little bit nicer rather than just keeping them right in front of us. Let's give it another go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7. You can make this travel a little bit further if you've got more room than I have. You can also try kicking on your right leg at the same time as when you clap. Have a look. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7. Pick one of those and see which one you prefer. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7. Now we're back here. Rather than walking to the front, we're going to do something called a boogie forward. We're going to start on our right leg on 8 again. We're going to bring our hip round, 8 and 1, stepping onto that right foot on 1. Then we're going to do it with our left hip, 2 and 3, stepping on it for the odd beat. We're going to do that 4 times, coming forward. Let's give it a little try together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm really trying to emphasize that circular hip motion that's going on. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My foot does that little scoop off the floor. That's absolutely fine. I like to bring my arms up so you can really emphasize what you're doing with your hips, or alternatively, you could try rolling your shoulders a little. That's a nice styling touch. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because this finishes on 7, it means that we're free to do some more boogie backs, starting on 8. 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7. Let's try popping these in a little sequence together. We're going to start with some boogie backs, then we're going to do some boogie forwards, and then another round of boogie backs. When we get to that final 8 count, we're going to mess around, rocking our hips around in a circle and bouncing on our heels as well to keep time. Let's give it a little try all together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, boogie back, boogie back, boogie back, boogie back, boogie forward. 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7. Mess around. Here we go. Why not try practicing this sequence to one of our recommended tracks in the description below? You can choose to start with either a boogie forward or a boogie back because remember, they both start on 8. Good luck.